Sophia, roll over.
Come on, they're so
You can do it. Get it. Get it. You can get it. Did you Velcro her to the floor? Sophia, roll over. Come over, get it.
You can do it, sister.
Are you gonna get up?
Oh, now it went even further away.
Get it. Roll over.
Sit up, Sophia.
Roll over.
The best is when she tries to sit up. It's hilarious. What are you doing?
Yeah.
It's true.
She's like, everything's out of my reach.
Get it. Get it, Sophia.
Oh no, my foot's right here.
Get it. Get it. Oh. Roll over. Get it.
He is running out of video.
Get it. You must do this to her a lot and laugh at her because she...
No, because we have wood floors, so we don't layer on the floor as much, which is probably why she can't roll over.
Roll over. Come here.
Wood floors, because why? What's the significance of that?
Just we never, you know,
Layer down on
we
the
didn't
floor 'cause
layer
it's
on the
hard.
floor as much.
You almost got it, Sophia.
Sit up. Sit up.
She's like, I tried. That was hard.
Well, it's even funnier when she's good-natured about it.
She's just like, well, I'm stuck.
She's not impatient or come get me. She's like,
That's why I can't sit up, because I'm not going to try. Whatever.
she's like, look at all the tricks I can do. I can entertain myself.
Is this what you do when you need to laugh? You're just like, alright.
She always makes us laugh.
Not even going to roll over.
Roll over.
She's like this.
Gymnast.
Oh, jeez.
She's kind of turned and rotated. Oh, maybe she'll start pushing herself with her feet.
Sit up. Come on, sit up.
Okay, now.
Roll over. Yay, you did it.
Good times.
Good job, Sophia. Sophia, good job.
I think in 20 days she'll be one.
Nuts, huh?